In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change message layout on Yahoo. This quick tweak can make your inbox feel cleaner, faster, and better suited to whatever screen you're using. We'll do everything in Yahoo Mail on the web. First, sign in, then look to the upper right corner of your mailbox for the gear icon. That's your settings shortcut. Click it to open the quick settings panel. In that panel, you'll see sections labeled Appearances or Viewing, depending on your version. Within that area, find Message Layout. This is the control that changes how your inbox and the preview pane appear, and it updates immediately, so you can test different options without leaving this screen. You have 3 choices. The first is List. This shows a simple list of emails with no preview pane. Choose List if you want maximum space for subject lines and senders, or if you prefer to open each email in its own view. It's also a smart pick for smaller screens or when you want fewer distractions. If your inbox feels slow or cluttered, List can make it feel snappier and more focused. Next is Right, which creates a vertical split, your list of emails on the left and a preview pane on the right. This is great for widescreen monitors because you can scan your inbox and read messages side by side. If you handle lots of messages quickly, Right helps you triage without opening a new page. You can usually drag the divider to adjust the size of the preview pane, giving more space to either the list or the message content. The third option is Bottom, a horizontal split that places the preview pane below the list. This mimics a classic desktop mail layout and is handy if you prefer taller reading space for long emails. It works well on laptops where vertical space matters. As with Right, you can often adjust the divider to fine-tune how much room each section gets. A few tips as you try these out: changes apply instantly and don't affect your messages in any way, so feel free to switch as often as you like. If you're working in a shared space and want to keep message content private, pick List to hide previews. If you don't see the message layout section, make sure you're in the web version of Yahoo Mail and that the quick settings panel is fully expanded. To recap, open the gear icon, go to Message Layout under Appearances or Viewing, and choose List, Right, or Bottom to match your preferences and screen size. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.